guys, welcome to my kitchen. And so today we are going to have some quick noodles. Yes, and you're going to love every bit of it. And so just relax and enjoy this video, and then after you give this recipe a try. And so if you're watching me and you have not yet subscribed, I beg consider subscribing, like and share this video for me. So we are going to make use of this chicken drumsticks. I just added salt, and I'm adding my all-purpose seasoning to it, and I'm adding a blended mixture of onion, garlic, ginger and bell pepper. That's green bell pepper. And I've cooked it for some time, so I'm going to turn it to the other side and then cook the other side also very well. And so please, if you do subscribe, don't forget to click on the notification bell, okay, so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. And at this point, we are going to cover and give it time for it to cook. So let's check on it. Okay, so at this point you can decide to take the chicken out because the chicken is now well cooked. And then if you want to fry, you fry it. I just added 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, or you can also decide to leave it like that. So I'm going to leave it in, and I'm going to cook this with my noodles. So I'll add enough water. Yes, enough water to cook the noodles. And because I've added enough water, I need to add some spices. And I'm adding my green chili. Yes, my green chili. So I'm going to cover this and let it boil a bit. Yes. Okay, so it's boiling. I'm going to add my noodles or spaghetti to it. Added everything. Going to give it a quick stir. And then we are going to cover and let it cook very, very well. Okay, so let's check on it now. And so with this spaghetti, it takes a lot of water. I mean, it absorbs water. So if you want to have enough water on it, then you have to add more water when it's drying up. If you don't want to add water, you can decide to drain it after. Do you get it? Okay, so I added the rest of the green chili, and I've added carrot and green bell pepper. I'm adding cabbage also to it. We are going to give it enough time to cook. Like, we are going to cover for about 3 minutes, and that'll be okay. So we are checking on it now, and so our noodles ready. As I said, you can decide to drain the water or leave it like that. So I took it off fire, and I just added chopped onions and sliced spring onions to it. So like I said, you can decide to drain the water or strain the water, or you can leave it on it. I wanted it this way. And so this is it for our noodles. You are going to love this, every bit of it. As I'm going to serve myself some of the noodles, yes, and I'm going to enjoy it. And so please, if you're watching me and you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing, like this video for me, share and leave a comment, and do well to click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. So this is it. Thanks so much. Bye bye.